Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ADPT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this may look like several days worth of time right here. It's actually just today's price action broken down to 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. The main thing I want to focus on is if it does start to bounce, where are some of these hurdles that are going to need to be crossed, because frankly speaking, supports are very few and far between because this chart is at all-time lows, and really the only level of support, meaning the only evidence where buyers actually stepped up, was right here at $2.65, which is where the price essentially bottomed out today, and that's where the current buyers are. And just because there's buyers there now, I don't want to come across as therefore they're guaranteed to be there tomorrow. That's not how charts work. There's no such thing as a guarantee in the market. But as things stand right now, yes, people were willing and are willing to buy at $2.65. They think that's a good enough deal. So key level of support going into tomorrow is $2.65. And a very logical question right now is, hey, is the price starting to form a bottom? Well, the very logical approach to answering that question is, well, can the price at least start to maintain above there? Because if the price obviously closes down below there, well, then this isn't a bottom, right? And that's why I love charts. They make very, very important questions. They almost kind of insult your intelligence. So is 265 some sort of bottom? Is the price going to start to bottom out? Well, let's just simply see if the price can hold 265. Now, if the price does start to bounce, where are some of these hurdles at in terms of resistance? First key level that needs to be crossed, if the bulls have any hope at all of getting some momentum, right there at $3 even. After $3, next key level, former area of support from earlier this morning. That makes it easy. Up there at $3.50. So $3, $3.50, but truly no point in talking about $3.50 right now unless the price can get up above the $3 mark. Because like I said, in my opinion at least, there's no chance of any sort of momentum or hope at momentum unless the bulls can at least first clear above that $3 mark. So brutal price action today, but a whole lot of volume in this one, and these ones can definitely have some pretty big snapback bounces, so worth at least keeping an eye on. So we'll see what happens with it. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.